Have you ever watched a YouTube video and thought to yourself, just give me what I want? Stop beating around the bush. Well, custom GPTs in Curator let you extract exactly what you want without having to sit through the whole video. Let me show you how it works. Under Curator's AI setting, I have defined a number of prompts that I can use on my page. One of them is the YouTube how-to. It says, act as a researcher. My goal is to follow the instructions in this video to achieve the results. Give me a quick summary of the intent. What are they trying to do? Hierarchically list the to-do actions, and importantly, add a timestamp next to each action so I know where it starts. And this is key for me because I like to go back and use the videos that I save as reference, and this allows me to quickly go to that location. Now let's look at it in action. Here is a YouTube video on the best Facebook ads testing strategy that I like to save as a reference. To do so in Curator, I activate the Curator pop-up. Now I can go and select the custom prompt that I want to use on this page, which is a YouTube how-to. And I have a choice between Gemini and OpenAI APIs. I'm going to use Gemini because Gemini comes from Google and it does a better job saving YouTube videos. After a few seconds, I have my results. Now let's take a look at it quickly. Intent summary. Main goal is to teach a smart, low-budget, 5-phase Facebook ads testing. Hierarchical to-do. You can see implement a 5-phase Facebook ads, and then it gives me all the instructions, gives me the timestamps, and it's something now that I can very quickly refer to and optimize my Facebook ads testing. At the end, tools used and mentioned: Facebook Ads Manager, spreadsheets, HubSpot, Meta Ads, and the Marketer's Guide to Meta. You see, it's really easy for you now to take your custom GPTs and extract what you want from any video, save it later so that you can also reference it. Now, when I save this, it's very easy for me to access, refer back to the video, or just the steps that is mentioned there for me to do what I need to do. Bring your custom GPTs to the page. It's going to save you a lot of time and effort in extracting the type of information that you want from the how-to videos that you watch. Give it a try.